Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So in the pound dollar, I still think this is going to go up to complete this pattern, which I think is either a expanding flat wave C, which would most likely take it up above these highs, or possibly it's a running flat wave C, which would possibly take it down to one of these lower Fibonacci levels. Either way, I think we have a decent amount of upside potential left. Heading down to the weekly, I still think that this right here is a wave 1. I think this is a running flat wave 2 in the middle. I think that would make this right here a 1. I think that would make this a wave 2. I think there's a pretty good likelihood the wave 2 is already over and we're already heading up for that big wave 3 of that wave C. So heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, to me, it definitely looks like a 5-wave uptrend. It looks like a leading diagonal wave A. It looks like 3 waves up for a wave B. It looks like another downtrend for a wave C. There is always a chance that it does make a lower high, and just keep on trending down from here. I mean, the trend is really not confirmed to be over yet, but I think just by the looks of it and just by looking at correlated pairs, there is a pretty good chance this is the end of a wave 2, and there's a pretty good chance that this is going to make higher highs, higher lows over the coming weeks, most likely all part of that big wave 3. So taking it right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I do think there's a good chance this right here is an A, B, and C correction. If it is an A, B, C correction, then most likely it'll bounce off a Fibonacci retracement level and make a nice entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push up right here. This is definitely impulsive down. I am for sure looking at it as a wave A, but I would always label it as either A or 1. I would label this as always either a wave B or a wave 2, even though I do think it is an A and a B. That way I don't really get surprised when a scenario plays out differently if I label it as both possibilities. I am definitely watching these last two Fibonacci retracement levels. If we get like a double bottom 3, 4, 5 shape with the breaker structure to the upside, that would be my entry to go long. If it happens at the 61%, then great, I'll go long there. If it doesn't and it continues to go down, making lower lows, lower highs to the lower fib level, then I would definitely wait patiently for the entry to go long. Now, if you do trade the 1 hour time frame and below, then you could definitely be looking for shorts until you actually do identify this picture right here. Or if you're trading like the 1 hour time frame and up, you could be patiently waiting for the end of this ABC correction, waiting for the breaker structure at a Fibonacci level to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. Either way, I am definitely still bullish for now. I'm still looking at this as an ABC correction, but I would always label it as a 1, a 2, and a wave 3, just in case it does decide to turn into a wave 3. I will not be surprised by that at all. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.